As human beings, we all have reasons for doing things. We also have reasons for not doing things. And sometimes these reasons for not doing things kind of get in the way a little bit. Some people like to call these reasons for not doing things excuses. And I'm a little bit fed up of hearing people's excuses for not making videos. So be warned, this is the first of maybe about 100 videos. I'm going to showcase some of the excuses that I hear on an almost daily basis. For example, today I could have made the excuse that, I look a bit weird on this video. I'm not going to do this video today. It's not going to go out there. But here I am. Take it or leave it. Like it or lump it. I'm not using it as an excuse. So hold on to your hats and prepare yourself for 101 days of excuses.